Hey everybody, it is the 4th of July and in Savannah, it is so hot. We are going to make an afternoon drink. Teresa and I are in the kitchen today. And I think she actually requested this because I'm not a big margarita fan, but
I am. And you're a good mixologist. So we get to play hooky after this and you're making me a cocktail.
We are doing a watermelon margarita. So, I mean, it smells wonderful. Teresa got the watermelon all juiced down.
And that's about 2 watermelons, but really.
So we're at 3 cups.
Well, that's actually, we're doing a half a recipe.
Right.
It would normally come out to about 6 cups. And it's easy to do.
But it already looks good.
I could drink just that.
Yes. And I'm gonna just add a little ice. It is already chilled, but I'm gonna add just a little ice just to make it a little cooler for when we get to test it. All right, and then 1 cup of tequila, recipes half.
And again, you can do whatever you want on the tequila. If you want more, less, whatever, it's up to you. Or don't put it in at all and just put club soda.
1 cup lime juice. And then a half cup agave nectar. Okay, we're going to give it a little stir. And you know what? We used all our limes and did not save.
That was my
bad.
I was so busy getting excited about our 4th of July drink.
We're going to just have to make it a nice little drink without any garnishment. But you know what? You don't need it.
Now, Eddie, you could, one thing that I don't really think the recipe says, but you could rim your glass with either sugar or with salt, depending on what you like. Paula would do salt because she loves salt on watermelon. But you could, and all you have to do is get a little bit of, get a piece of lime, do the rim, and then dip it in either your sugar and it'll adhere.
And salt. Okay, great. What do you think?
I think it looks beautiful. So you taste it first because I'm taking the picture. You said you really didn't like them, so.
Very good. I mean, that watermelon is just fantastic this time of year. And you know, with the lime, it kind of dances around. You get a little bit of watermelon, and then the lime kicks in. And I'm not a big tequila person, so thankfully that kind of stays away. But anyways, I hope you all have a great 4th of July. And I hope you're somewhere nice and cool, maybe on the beach or at a lake. But have a safe time.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.